run a skincare brand and I have recently launched a new product in my brand. Now I want to send the new product launch messages to all my existing customers whose data I have in Google Sheet. So on my screen you can see the customer's detail, and here in order to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all these customers, I need to either create a WhatsApp group or I need to manually send the WhatsApp messages to each and every contact one by one. But now here doing it manually was very time consuming task. In that case, I have come up with an amazing technique of WhatsApp broadcasting which allowed me to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all these customers with their personalized name. Yes, you heard it right. Here on my screen, you can see a personalized WhatsApp message that I've sent to my customer for the new product launch of my brand. Here I've created this message using a template WhatsApp message, and here the message says new launch alert natural glow skincare hi demo. This is my customer's name. Our new skincare product is finally here. Get healthy glowing skin with our natural formula. Special launch offer available, and this is our website. And now, like me, if you also want to send the bulk WhatsApp messages to all your customers or leads whose data you already have without any manual effort, then watch this tutorial with me till the end. So now here to send this WhatsApp broadcast message, I'm going to use the all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And here to access the one, you need to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently it is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. And for your reference, I have attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now you have to sign in and you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected my WhatsApp number inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So here to connect yours, click on this add WhatsApp number button and you can see two methods. So here if you wish to learn about any of the method in detail, then you can watch out the video link available in the description box below for the same. And not only this, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left sidebar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the video tutorials available on our YouTube channel or in the description box as well. Alright, so as you know that in this tutorial we are going to learn about this WhatsApp broadcast technique. But before that, let me tell you that I have sent the WhatsApp message using a template message. And in order to send the template message, I have already created a template inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. So we are going to learn about that first. But if you don't want to send the template message, then you can send a regular type of message as well. But to learn about that technique, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Alright, let's move forward to the template section. Now under this template section, you can see the number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. Here I've already created a template with the name new product launch, and this is the message that I have drafted. And here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can successfully use this template to send the WhatsApp messages to my leads or customers. To know how you can create this template, click on the Add Template button and you can see two methods. If you want to create the template using AI, then select this option or else select Add Template. After that, it will direct you to a new template window. Here you need to add some details and click on the Submit button. Automatically, your template will be submitted for the approval. And to learn about this creation process in detail, you can click on this Learn More hyperlink as well. Alright, so now you have to creating the template. Let's move forward to the broadcast section, and here under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcast, live, sent and scheduled broadcast. Here to create a new one, we are going to click on this add button and it has directed us to our WhatsApp broadcast section. Here you need to select your broadcast type first. I'm going to select it as broadcast campaign, and for the broadcast name I'm going to give the name as new product launch. Alright, let's move forward. Then comes the contact list. So here I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp message. And as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send this bulk WhatsApp messages to all these customers whose data I have in Google Sheet. So in order to send the WhatsApp messages to all these customers, I need to add these contacts in my Pabbly Chatflow account first. And for that, we are going to access this contact section. Under this contact section, here on the left side, you can see some existing list. And to create a new one, we're going to click on this add contact button. Here you can add the single contact as well. And to add bulk one, we need to select this option. Here it is asking for a CSV file. And as you know that I have the data in Google Sheets. So you need to download this data in a .csv format. And once you're going to download this file in a CSV format, upload the same over here and then click on this add contact button. Automatically the bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And once the contacts are added, you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use the existing list that I have with the name new list. So let me select that. You can select multiple lists as well. And now here it is asking us for the message type. So you can see two methods. One is pre-approved template and the other one is regular message. As I've already mentioned that I'm going to use the pre-approved template message. But to send the regular message, you need to select this regular message option. Then you can select the message type from the drop down. Once you're going to add any of the message, then you can have the preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to select the pre-approved template. So this is my message, and here you can see I have used a variable in the place of this name. Variables makes a text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So here I've used a variable for the name because I want to send the personalized WhatsApp messages to all my customer. So that whenever this message is sent to any of my contact, then this name variable should be replaced with my customer's name. So now here to make this field permanently dynamic, you need to access contact custom fields available over here in the settings section. Under contact custom fields, you can see some permanent fields such as name, mobile number, last name and the first name. You can create more contact custom fields as per your variable. And as you know that I have used the variable in the place of name. So we're going to copy the field name over here and we're going to add it over here. Then we're going to click on this done and we have successfully selected our template with a permanent variable. Now let's move forward. Here it is asking me to test our broadcast. So before sending this broadcast message to a wider audience, we can send it on our WhatsApp number to test this broadcast. For the username, I'm going to add my own name, and for the number, I'm going to add my number. Alright, then you're going to click on the send test message and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp. And you can see instantly a new message has been received with the name Hi Roma, and this is exactly the same message template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Now here it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant broadcast message to all your customers, then select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Then here you need to select the proper date and time. While selecting the date and time, make sure you're selecting the future date and time. If you're selecting the past date and time, that is going to send the WhatsApp message instantly to all your leads or customer. And you can see we have successfully scheduled our broadcast over here with the name product launch. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the same, and here you can see the number of sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. And also let me tell you that you can resend this message to valid failed contacts by using this resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of creating and setting up the bulk WhatsApp messaging automation tutorial. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available on your screens. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.